Do you ever get that frustrating invalid password message when trying to log into your Ally Bank account? We've all been there. It's easy to forget a complex password, especially if you haven't logged in for a while. But don't worry. Getting back into your Ally Bank account is much simpler than you might think. You don't need to call customer service and sit on hold. Ally has a straightforward online process that can have your password reset and you back to managing your finances in just a few minutes. Today, we're going to walk you through the super easy steps to reset your Ally Bank password, ensuring you can access your account quickly and securely whenever you need to. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Ally Bank homepage. You can use your web browser on a desktop or a mobile device. Once you are on the homepage, look for the Login button, which is usually in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click or tap on that. Now, instead of entering a password, you're going to look for a link that says something like "Forgot Password" or "Need Help Signing In." Click on that link. Ally Bank will then prompt you to verify your identity. This is a crucial security step to protect your account. You will typically need to enter your user ID, and sometimes, the last 4 digits of your social security number or your date of birth. Fill in the required information accurately and click Continue or Next. Next, Ally will send you a verification code to a contact method they have on file, like your registered email address or a phone number via text message. Check your email or phone for that code. If you don't see it immediately, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Once you have the code, go back to the Ally screen and enter the verification code exactly as you received it. This confirms that it's really you trying to reset the password. After successfully verifying the code, you will finally be taken to the Create New Password screen. Now is the time to create a strong, new password. Make sure it meets all of Ally Bank's security requirements, usually a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Write it down in a safe place, or even better, use a secure password manager. Enter your new password, and then you will usually be asked to re-enter it to confirm. Click Submit or Finish. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation message stating that your password has been successfully updated. You can now use your brand new, secure password to log into your Ally Bank account right away. Remember, keeping your password unique and changing it periodically is one of the best ways to keep your online banking safe. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.